Technology and Livelihood Education. Agriculture and Fishery Arts for Grade 7. Week 6 Part 1. Our topic is basket composting. What is farm basket composting? Farm basket composting is a simple, low-cost composting method in which biodegradable farm wastes are placed inside a perforated basket that is partially buried in the soil. The basket acts as a small composting chamber where decomposition takes place naturally while nutrients gradually spread into the surrounding soil. This is a simple, natural, sustainable way of composting. Principle of farm basket composting. 1. Collect the biodegradable farm waste. 2. Decomposition. 3. Turned into compost. 4. Create healthy soil. 5. That can create healthy crops. Benefits of basket composting. Benefits of farm basket composting. 1. Reduces farm waste. 2. Produces organic fertilizer. 3. It improves soil structure. 4. It improves soil fertility. 5. It conserves soil moisture. 6. It reduces the use of chemical fertilizers. 7. It protects the environment. 8. It promotes sustainable agriculture. Tools and materials needed for composting. The following are the materials needed for composting. 1. Compost basket, a basket with holes that allows air circulation. 2. Brown materials, carbon-rich. Like dried leaves, rice straw, sawdust, shredded paper. These materials provide carbon and improve airflow. 3. Green materials, nitrogen-rich. Like vegetable scraps, fruit peelings, grass clippings, fresh weeds, these provides nitrogen for microorganisms. 4. Soil, this contains microorganisms that start decomposition. 5. Water, it keeps the compost moist for microbial activity. The following are the garden tools needed for composting. Shovel, trowel, rake, gloves, watering can. 7. Optional compost activator. To speed up decomposition, you can add animal manure, vermicast, indigenous microorganisms, and effective microorganisms. Procedure in farm basket composting. Procedure in farm basket composting. 1. Select the composting site. Choose an area that is well drained, near the garden, partially shade, easily accessible. 2. Prepare the basket. Use a basket with many holes. The holes allows the air circulation, water drainage, entry of earthworms and microorganisms. 3. Dig a hole, about half the height of the basket, place the basket into the hole so that approximately half of it remains below ground. 4. Add brown materials. Place layer of dried leaves, rice straw, or shredded paper at the bottom. It provides carbon, improves airflow, and prevents foul odor. 5. Add green materials. Place vegetable scraps, grass clippings, fresh weeds, and fruit peelings on top. These provide nitrogen for microorganisms. 6. Add soil, cover each layer with a thin layer of garden soil. The soil introduces decomposers that accelerate composting. 7. Repeat the layers. Continue layering, brown materials, green materials, soil. Repeat until basket is nearly full. 8. Water the compost. Sprinkle enough water to keep the materials moist but not waterlogged. The ideal moisture level is like a squeezed sponge. 9. Cover the basket. Use basket lid, coconut leaves, banana leaves, cardboard. Covering prevents pests while allowing air to enter. 10. Monitor the compost. Check every few days. If too wet, add dried leaves. If too dry, sprinkle water. 11. Wait for decomposition. The compost usually matures within 30 to 60 days, depending on temperature, moisture, air supply, and size of materials. And number 12. Harvest the compost. Finished compost should be dark brown to black, soft and crumbly, earthy smelling, free from recognizable food scraps. Signs of a good compost. Dark brown or black color, soft and crumbly texture, pleasant earthy smell, cool temperature, no recognizable plant materials. Good compost improves soil fertility, support healthy plants and helps create a sustainable farm. Remember, turn farm waste into black gold for a healthy soil and better harvest. Good layering, plus proper moisture, plus air, equals good quality compost. Importance of basket composting. Basket composting is an effective and environmentally friendly method of managing biodegradable farm waste. It transforms crop residues and kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost that enriches the soil, reduces waste, lowers production costs, and supports sustainable farming.
This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.